Network Access Control, NAC, safeguarding your digital realm. Network Access Control, NAC, acts as a digital gatekeeper, wielding the power to permit or deny entry to devices seeking access to a computer network. In the realm of information security, where safeguarding digital assets is paramount, NAC plays a crucial role in fortifying the gates of your network against potential threats. Let's delve into the essence of NAC, exploring how it operates and why it is indispensable in the contemporary landscape of cybersecurity. Understanding NAC in layman's terms. Network access control, in essence, is akin to a set of rules dictating who can and cannot enter your digital premises. These rules hinge on two fundamental aspects: the security posture of the device attempting to connect, and the authentication of the user or system. Device security posture. Think of this as a health check for your digital devices. NAC scrutinizes whether a device possesses the necessary armor against digital maladies. It examines factors such as updated antivirus software, the installation of the latest security patches, and the absence of known vulnerabilities. If the device proves its digital fitness, it gains entry. Otherwise, it is held at bay until it meets the required standards. User system authentication. NAC is keen on establishing the identity of the entity seeking access. Users must substantiate their claimed identity through a combination of a username and password, while systems might employ unique identifiers or certificates for authentication. This twofold process ensures that only individuals or devices with the appropriate credentials can traverse the digital threshold. The operational mechanism of NAC operates on the premise of policy-based access control, where predefined rules determine the permissibility of access. These policies are configured by administrators, tailoring the network's behavior to align with the organization's security standards. Endpoint compliance checks. Before granting access, NAC conducts checks on the security posture of the connecting device. This involves assessing antivirus status, system updates, and overall vulnerability status. Authentication protocols. Users and systems are subjected to robust authentication protocols, adding an extra layer of assurance regarding their legitimacy. Dynamic policy enforcement. NAC adapts dynamically to changes. If a device's security status changes during its presence on the network, NAC can respond by adjusting access privileges accordingly. Why NAC matters in the grand scheme of cybersecurity security reinforcement. The primary function of NAC is to fortify the network against potential threats. By ensuring that only devices with a clean bill of digital health gain access, NAC acts as a preemptive defense mechanism. Regulatory compliance. In the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity regulations, adherence to compliance standards is non-negotiable. NAC aids organizations in meeting these standards, serving as a proactive measure against potential legal repercussions. Administrative control. NAC grants administrators granular control over their network. This control is instrumental in preventing unauthorized access, mitigating risks, and maintaining the overall health of the digital ecosystem. Assurance and peace of mind. Knowing that only trusted devices and authenticated users populate the network brings a sense of assurance. It's akin to having a vigilant bouncer at the entrance, ensuring that only those with the right credentials gain entry. The future of NAC, a glimpse into possibilities. As we navigate the evolving landscape of cybersecurity, the importance of NAC is set to burgeon, driven by emerging trends such as remote work and the proliferation of the Internet of Things, IoT. Remote work dynamics. With an increasing reliance on remote work, the traditional perimeter of corporate networks is expanding. NAC becomes pivotal in maintaining security as devices attempt to connect from various locations and networks. IoT onslaught. The rise of IoT introduces a myriad of connected devices into networks. NAC will play a pivotal role in managing and securing these diverse endpoints, ensuring that each becomes a contributing, not compromising entity within the network. Incorporating NAC into your cybersecurity strategy is not just a necessity, it's a strategic imperative. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, the role of NAC in safeguarding networks and data integrity will only amplify. For a more in-depth exploration of NAC, refer to Cisco's Network Admission Control. This resource provides comprehensive insights into the intricacies of NAC and its applications in diverse cybersecurity scenarios.